wanted to make this quick video. Jay had asked me how to use the voice, or like what the voice inside of the chat does. So let's go here to AI chat on the left-hand side. By the way, you can also get there right here. I'm just so used to using this side. I've had people tell me that they're used to using these, so that's fine. Get in here either way. Click on new chat, and then in the upper corner here, middle, left, wherever you want to call it, there's 3 dots. And when you click those 3 dots, you're going to see you can turn on voice. And when you turn on voice, you can choose a voice here. So let's take like, let's say Nova. And then we can write something down here and then hit enter. And then when we do that, that's going to come back to us in the form of a voice recording. Okay, so it's good for you're on the go. You want to throw a chat in here and you want to get the output out in the form of a voice so you don't have to read. That's cool. Or you want to use that voice for something like a voicemail script, leave a message or whatever. Or maybe you're just using it as a voiceover, right? So that's how that works. Now, instead of us writing this in here, we can go over here and click this little voice, microphone, and we can speak it. So I'm going to click that. I'm going to tell it to write me a voicemail script for my business, like my phone, if I miss my phone call, and then see what it comes back with. Okay. So first, let's make sure we got this over here. Nova is good to go. Let's click this. Please write me a voicemail script for my business called Larry's Landscaping. Just say I'm away from the phone, but I will get back to them when I get this message. Thank you. Okay, so now that should pop in the voice. Boom. Okay, so exactly what we wrote. And that's quick. That's way quicker than my MacBook, right? So there we go. And then if we go return or enter or click that little envelope over there, it's going to go ahead and run. And then it's going to give us an MP3 file back. And you can use that MP3 file however you want. So let's see what we come back with. By the way, we're on 3.5 turbo right here. So we could run this as GPT-4. And I believe if we just copy this right here, paste this back in down here and hit enter again. Let's see. There we go. It's going to run again and it will run with GPT-4 turbo. So we can kind of compare the results, I guess. Hope everybody's having a good weekend so far. It's early here, 7:22 a.m. in Massachusetts. Okay, so we have 2 here. GPT-4 actually made it less, so let's go here.
Hello, and thank you for calling Larry's Landscaping, where creating your dream outdoor space is our mission. I'm sorry that I'm away from the phone at the moment, but your call is very important to me.
Now you might say, well, Larry's Landscaping needs a man's voice, right? So we can go Onyx, and then we can go here, copy that, paste this in here, hit enter. Oops, enter. I think when you do that, you got to click back into that and then hit enter. There we go. And this one's even shorter, which is great.
Hello. You've reached Larry's Landscaping. I'm currently away from the phone, but your call is important to us. Please leave your name, number, and a message after the tone, and I'll make sure to get back to you as soon as I get this message. Thank you for calling, and have a wonderful day.
Okay, so that's voice, right? So you can use the voice to speak it. If you're on the go and you don't want to type, just use that, boom, to speak it. And then if you have voice turned on up here in the upper left, that will give it back to you in the form of a voice recording, okay? So I hope you guys are enjoying everything and all the updates. PromptROI can see, read, hear, smell. No, I'm just kidding. What is it? There's 5 things it can do. Read, hear, see, speak, and design, right? It can design images. So anyway, I hope this video is helpful. If you guys need anything at all, I'm here for you. Looking forward to helping you guys all grow here in 2024. And have a great weekend. And I'll talk to you this week coming up.